Hello everybody. Welcome back to Channel Best Woodworking. The artistry of felling ancient cedar trees in the heart of the forest with the precision of a chainsaw is a testament to human ingenuity and respect for nature's grandeur. The process begins long before the chainsaw roars to life, with careful planning and consideration for the tree's surroundings. A seasoned lumberjack surveys the terrain, assessing the slope of the land, the direction of the wind, and the potential obstacles that may impede the tree's descent. Every aspect is taken into account to ensure a safe and efficient operation. For centuries, these towering giants have stood as guardians of the woodland. Their roots intertwined with the fabric of the earth, their branches reaching towards the heavens. Yet, there are times when their majestic presence must yield to the needs of humanity, and it is then that the skill of the lumberjack becomes truly remarkable. With the preparations complete, the lumberjack approaches the cedar tree with reverence, recognizing its age and significance. The chainsaw, a modern tool of the trade, is wielded with practiced hands, its teeth eager to bite into the thick bark of the ancient giant. Yet, despite its power, the chainsaw is merely an extension of the lumberjack's skill and experience. As the saw cuts through the cedar's trunk, each stroke is deliberate and calculated, guided by the lumberjack's intimate knowledge of wood and timber. The sound of the chainsaw reverberates through the forest, mingling with the rustle of leaves and the song of birds, a symphony of progress and tradition. As the cedar begins to lean, the lumberjack adjusts the angle of the cut, directing its fall with precision. There is a moment of tension as the tree hesitates, as if reluctant to leave the earth that has been its home for centuries. Yet, even as the cedar is harvested for human use, its spirit lives on in the forest, where new growth will soon emerge to take its place. And in the hands of the skilled lumberjack, its legacy is honored, not just in the products it yields, but in the artistry and expertise with which it is felled. For in the dance between man and tree, there is a profound respect for the natural world and the role we play within it. Next, you watch the lumberjacks cut down another giant tree. Once the plan is set, the tree cutter wields their chainsaw with finesse, carving a precise beveled cut into the trunk. This initial incision sets the stage for the tree's descent, guiding its fall along the desired path. It's a delicate dance between human hands and mechanical teeth, a symphony of motion amidst the quiet of the forest. With the beveled cut in place, the tree cutter proceeds to make strategic saw cuts further into the trunk, creating a notch that weakens the tree's structural integrity. Each stroke of the chainsaw is deliberate, calculated, as the cutter inches closer to the moment of truth. But even the most skilled tree cutter knows that nature can be unpredictable. To exert greater control over the tree's descent, they employ a simple yet ingenious tool, the wedge. With a deft hand, the woodsman drives the wedge into the saw cut, applying pressure to nudge the tree in the desired direction. As the wedge bites into the tree, there's a palpable tension in the air, a sense of anticipation as the old giant teeters on the brink of collapse. With a final push, the tree succumbs to gravity, its mighty form yielding to the will of the cutter. And then, with a thunderous crash, the old tree yields to its fate, the forest floor trembling beneath its weight. In that moment of triumph, the tree cutter stands tall, their skill and expertise on full display for all who dare to witness. Next, you watch the amazing lumberjacks cut down another giant tree with a chainsaw. In the end, the skill of cutting down old trees with a chainsaw is more than just a practical necessity. It's a testament to human adaptability and the enduring bond between mankind and nature. And as long as there are forests to be tamed and giants to be felled, the art of the tree cutter will continue to thrive, a timeless tribute to the power of human hands and the resilience of the wild.